Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the basic Excel. So our today topic is basic Excel and this is lecture number 1 of the first lecture. Right? Okay, welcome to my channel TechMan, and we'll discuss what is the topic. Today topic is how to do some addition, subtraction and how to calculate late average. Okay, so with this I will also discuss about find and replace option in Excel. Okay, let's start. So we will open Excel first, right? So here it is. Okay, so this is the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So the default name of the sheet is sheet 1, right? Okay, now I will tell you the extension. Whenever you can enter the data, just double click on the cell like 1. I'm just entering the data like 1. This is 2, 3, 4. It's very simple. You can just double click on the cell and then you can enter the data from your keyboard, right? So this way I have entered the data. Then you can save the data. Like here is the option save as. So we will select the save as option. So here it is. If you are saving this data, right, in my Excel, so the extension of that Excel is .xlsx. Because it is very important. If you will not select this extension, the file will not be going to save, right? So whenever you are saving any data, so the extension would be the XLSV. Sorry, XL. 1 minute. It's XLSX. Okay. So this is the extension. Now I will tell you the something basics function. I will increase the size. Here it is. From here I can increase the size. Now it is clear to you, more clear to you, right? So I have this data 1, 2, 3, 4. I have entered this data, right? So I want to enter a table, not table. It's just a counting. I want to enter counting up to 10. So we can also do manually, but it's valid for 10 or 20. But if there is any hundreds counting, then we have an option, right? Just enter two numbers like 1 and 2. I have entered two numbers, right? So I have to just click on I've selected the data. Now I have to just click here. Whenever there is a plus sign, I have to drag this thing up to 10. Here it is 10. Now it automatically enter the counting up to 10. So we can also increase up to 12, 13 or many possible number we can enter. Okay, here the counting. We can do also here. I can also move this circle. Okay. So I have taken the interval 1, 2, right? So it will count up to 10. I simply select the Control Shift downward key, right, and then drag it till the number which we want. Okay. So one more shortcut which I want to tell you is that just I fill this cell with the color. Okay, so here is ABCD. It's a column, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's a rows. So it's very important. These are rows and these are columns. Okay, so now, like, if I want to move the beginning of the data, so for moving we can just simply click the right arrow. We can reach there, but there is a shortcut which we can follow. We reach at the beginning of the number. So now we can move this cursor from anywhere by clicking Control and side arrow. Okay, so in this way you can you can move from anywhere to the data. Okay, so one more shortcut which I want to tell you, right? Control shift and when you click on the downward arrow, it will select the data, all data, till it will select the column in which only the data is available. Like, it doesn't select these, like these columns, these rows, right? So it only select the column where data is available. Now we can also click again Control Shift. We can click Control Shift and then we can click side arrow. Now it will select all data which you want to work on it, right? Now we will move to some addition, right? Difference, subtraction, and the average. How to find addition, subtraction, and average. So I will tell you the different method to find subtraction, addition, and average. First we will do addition. So I will start from the basic. So the first formula for the addition is very simple. We will simply add the different cells. Like, if you want here, what is the sum of Ram and Shyam income? So I want to find the sum of Ram and Shyam income. This is the income. So for simply, I will select this cell and then I will select plus and then I will select this cell. So it automatically select the both cell and will give the answer. So this is the basic, very basic formula through which we can find the sum of any number. Okay. Now we will move to second. So here is the fx function. You have to click on the fx function. We will click on fx function and here we will type sum. When we click on the sum, okay, I will click on the sum. So here is the option. Okay, 1 minute. So here is the sum. So I will select first cell and then on the second number 2 is the second cell for which I want to take a sum, and then click on OK. Then it will give the sum. Okay. Now third method is very simple. We'll simply click sum, then column, sorry, bracket, and then we will select both the numbers. Okay, I have selected both the numbers and then close the bracket and then equal. Now I will get the sum, total sum of these two numbers. Now move to the second. What is the difference between Lakshman and Ram's salary? I have to find Ram and Lakshman's salary. There is subtraction. So first we will start from the basic again. Equal sign. I will select Ram income minus and Lakshman income. Okay, so it will give minus 200. Okay, now move to second, for which we will select fx. Okay, it's subtraction. Here it is. I am sub. This is the function. We have to select OK then we will select two numbers. It's 24 and Lakshman income 2600. So first we will select 24 and in second plural 2 we will select Lakshman income. Then click on OK. Then you will get the answer of this question. Now third method I will tell you regarding this is I will just click here. Okay, here if you click same function I am sum, I have select this function and then for this I have selected this and this. Okay, I want to calculate the sum of Ram and Shyam, so I have selected this and this. Okay, so for selection we can select control and our mouse, we can click on the control tab on in your system and mouse, then through which we can select the different number at the same time. Okay, like this. So these are the three methods. Now I will calculate what is the average of Ram, Shyam and Preeti's income. So for average, first we will simply apply the same formula, very simple. We will select all three numbers. I have selected this. For average, we will add the three number and then divide by 3. Sum of the total divided by number of total. So here Ram income, Shyam, first we will Ram, then add Shyam and then third. So again I will do Ram, Shyam, then plus 36,700 and then after bracket I will select this and then divided by 3. I will get the answer. It's 2866, which is the answer of the average of these three people. Now second formula, we will again select fx and through fx we can type average. Now we'll get the average function here and then we will click on OK. So we got the two number. So we can add for which we want our address Ram, second is Shyam, and first we will select Ram. I have selected, second for which I selected Shyam, and third Preet. Now click on OK. The answer is same. First is 2866, second is 2866. So through this way we can find the answer. So this is the addition, subtraction and average. Through these method we can find these three data from in Excel. So guys, do practice this. Once you practice more, you will get the more habit. Now we will discuss. First we will maximize this. Okay, here is the name: John, Sam, John, Cole, Sam, Tom and Holland. So I will discuss the option find and replace. For find and replace we will click on Control F. So here it is find what. So here we can find any data from the system. Like if I have to find Sam, I'll just type the Sam and here it is. Okay. Now if I have to find John, okay, so here it is. I got two John. Okay, so through this way we can find the option. We can use the find option. Now I want to replace John, this John option, with Harry. Okay, so find what? John, and I want to replace with Harry. So for replace all, I can select this option. For replacing a single, I can select replace and find, and this is the other option. So I selected replace all. So okay, now it replaced my two data. Here in place of John I get Harry and again Harry. So through this way you can replace the data. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel और आगे और भी वीडियोस लाऊंगा ऐसे. Thank you so much.